Ever wondered how you can create a stunning landing page that captures leads and that drives conversions? Well, if so, I'm here to show you exactly how to do it with Convertkit. But first, if you're new here, my name is Jeanette, and this channel is all about providing you with the latest tips, strategies, and nuggets to help you launch, build, and grow a successful online business. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell if that sounds like a bit of your jam. Okay, so creating an effective landing page is not as simple as it may seem. It takes a lot of time and effort to design, to test, and also to optimize so that it's able to convert your visitors into customers and subscribers. A lot of people make the mistake of cramming too much information onto the page or not testing different elements like their headings or their copy or images for effectiveness. However, when done right, landing pages can be an incredibly powerful tool to help you generate leads and grow your business. Now, Convertkit is an excellent email marketing platform to help you create high converting landing pages really quickly and easily. And with its intuitive drag and drop interface, you can customize its pre-built templates with ease to create really great looking landing pages in no time. Plus, Convertkit offers a range of other features like detailed analytics. And with this step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to create a high converting landing page with Convertkit that's going to have your potential customers taking action in no time. So let's get into it. Right, so to get started with Convertkit, the first step is going to be to sign up for a new account if you don't already have one. One thing to note is that if you are on a free account, you're not going to be able to have access to everything that I go through during this walkthrough. So you're going to need to have a upgraded account. And here I'm offering a 14-day free trial, which has access to all the Convertkit features. You can find the link for that in the description box below. So go ahead and use that 14-day free trial whilst walking through with me, because that's going to give you full access. You're not going to have access to everything if you're on a free Convertkit account. So just something to keep in mind. So literally you would just sign up for a free account. Am I a robot? No, I am not a robot. So be prepared to go through this as well. Click in the box to verify that you're a human if you get this message. Right, so obviously this is where I'm going to enter my details. Right, so once in, we're going to be asked some basic questions. And this is pretty much about our company and why we're using Convertkit in the first place. So here I'm just going to put, no, I'm just starting out. How big is your audience? For the sake of this walkthrough, I'm going to say 1 to 1,000. And then it asks me to give some more information about myself, business name. I'm just going to keep that as Jeanette Spencer. It creates a custom domain for you, which you might have to go back in and edit at a later date. If I was keeping Jeanette Spencer, then I would definitely have to go back and edit that into my actual business name. So that's just something to be mindful of. And then here, what kind of creator are you? So let's choose educator and then continue. And then what do you want to achieve with Convertkit? So there is quite a few questions in the setup process. It doesn't take too long, but just so you're aware. So I'm going to add grow my list and then add your website. I'm going to try and go through without adding this information. See what happens. Yes. So now I'm just registered. I just signed up for a new account, and I'm literally taking the 14-day free trial at the moment. So this is so I can show you everything that I need to show you. So I do not want to watch video. So this is pretty much the Convertkit dashboard. And as you can see, this is where you get taken to when you first sign in. So once you have signed in, what we're going to do is, obviously we're here to create a landing page. So what we're going to do is we're going to head up here and we're going to click on grow. And then from grow, we're going to click on landing pages and forms. And then this is going to give us the option to create our landing page. Now, as you can see, there's two options here. So there's an option to create a form, and then there's an option to create a landing page. Now, a form you'd probably embed on maybe your website, or maybe if you were using another app for your landing pages, you could embed a form on one of those pages. But for this walkthrough, we're going to be creating a landing page. So I'm going to go ahead and click the create a landing page option. All right, now one of the great things about using Convertkit for your landing page is their extensive library of templates, which is essentially what makes this process so easy. So that's pretty much what you can see here. What you can also see to the left is an area where you can literally choose the type of landing page that you want to create. So that's also very helpful. So just to give you an idea of the amount of templates that are available, there are loads and loads and loads. So definitely go through them. Remember that this is pretty much going to be the foundation for your landing page, right? So you really kind of want to get this right. Also, bear in mind that when you are creating or choosing your template, the editing functionalities in Convertkit are really basic. So that means that when you choose your template, you need to kind of choose one that you like the look of, because you can't really move too much around or add too much elements. So definitely just have a look through the library and then choose something that kind of aligns with your business, with your brand, and also with the purpose of the landing page. So if you're promoting a video, then you need to bear that in mind. If you're promoting a newsletter, again, but that's why this option here is so helpful. It will help you save a little bit of time when you're looking for templates. So this is fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and click choose up here. So once you're kind of happy with the basic design of the template, it's time to kind of add relevant content and other elements to your page. So this is where you really make your page stand out from the competition by including things like, you know, the benefits of your lead magnet, the features of your lead magnet, or anything else that you feel is going to entice your visitors to take action. So you can also change things like the colors that are on the page, the headings over here, and also the custom forms that you want your visitors to fill in. So for the purposes of this example, let's pretend that we've done all we're going to do on this page and we're now ready to kind of take that step further. And with that in mind, one of the most powerful features that Convertkit offers is the ability to create automated email follow-up sequences. And this is the difference between having a free account and a paid account. So with a free account, you wouldn't be able to do this. You can only do email sequences with a paid account, which is why you need the free trial to kind of be able to access and work with me while I'm showing you how to do these things. So your email follow-up sequence is going to allow you to stay in touch with your subscribers once they've actually opted into your landing page. And this is done by sending them a pre-scheduled email sequence at specific intervals. So when it comes to actually setting up your emails, what you're going to need to do is head to send up here, click it, and then in the drop down, you're going to want to click on sequences. Then be taken to a page where you can customize your email. So when creating your welcome email, keep in mind that this is the first time that someone's actually interacting with you or with your brand. So you're going to want to make sure that your email is really engaging and, you know, that it's providing the link to the lead magnet that they actually initially signed up for. So whatever it is that you promoted on your landing page, make sure that the link to that thing is in the first email that you send out. So if you're feeling a little bit stuck about what to include in your welcome email sequence and could use a little bit of help, then I would definitely recommend trying ChatGPT or Jasper to help you out. And this is really going to help you to be able to create engaging emails. And this platform has tons of features to help you create effective marketing content and grow your business. So you might also want to check out my email marketing toolkit, which comes with some done for you email templates that you can simply plug and play into your business. Right, so when creating your emails in Convertkit, use the guidelines that they've set out for you on pretty much how to set up your emails. And it's pretty easy to do. You would literally just click a new sequence. You would then just choose the template option and start entering your text or your copy. So pretty easy stuff. Let me go into it so you can see exactly what I mean. Right, so you would pretty much just enter your copy down here. So this is where you would actually create your email. And that's pretty much it, really. Okay, so next, once you've actually created welcome emails, you're going to want to automate them. And this is so they get sent out automatically to each subscriber that opts into your landing page. So to set this up, you simply go to the top bar, click on automate, and then from the drop down, click on visual automations, and then choose the option start from scratch. And then from there, you'll be able to configure everything from the types of emails that you want to send out to how often you want them sent out, and also how they're going to be triggered. So I'm just going to click on start building. And then from here, as you can see, I can add the landing page that I've just created. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the landing page option, see the landing page. As you can see here, it says joins a form. So basically, this is kind of when someone joins a form on my landing page, then that's going to trigger the event. So let's just click on add event. So I'm going to go ahead and click this arrow here. And then as you can see, it gives me the option. Let me just go down a little bit so you can see properly. It gives me the option to add my email sequence. So the email sequence that we set up earlier, this is where I'll be able to add that sequence. So we choose add action, and then that's literally how I would add that email that we've just completed. So if you've got 5 emails in your welcome sequence, this is where you would go ahead and add all 5 of them. So what you would do, let me just do that again so I can show you how to add a condition. Right, so as you can see here, say we've got 2 emails in our welcome sequence. We know that we want it to go out as soon as someone opts into our landing page. They're going to get the first email, and then we want to wait maybe a day or 2 for them to get the second email. So if I click on action and then delay, then what I can do here is pretty much add the days that I want them to receive the next email in the sequence. So for example, they come into my landing page, they then get my welcome email, and then what I want is to wait 3 days for them to get the second email in the sequence. The second email in the sequence. So that is pretty much how you would map out your email automation, following someone actually subscribing or opting in to your landing page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my landing page. Right, so if I find the landing page that we worked on earlier, so see the landing page. So to add my freebie, what I need to do is click on settings. So this is going to be the PDF that goes out, or the video link or whatever. So if it is a video link, from here, what I would do is click on incentive. If it's a video link, click on URL and just provide the link that you want someone to go to once they've actually opted into the form. So if it's a webinar that you want someone to watch, this is literally going to be the webinar page that you're going to link directly to once someone opts in on that landing page. If you are giving away a PDF or, some other kind of download, then what you would do is click the download option here and then literally choose a file. So choose your lead magnet, add it, and that's literally it. So obviously I'm not going to do that now. So let me just cancel there. Then it's literally that simple to add your lead magnet. So again, once someone lands on your landing page and they provide their details by opting in, then you're either going to send them to an additional page, whereas, as I mentioned before, if it's a webinar, then you're going to send them to that webinar page. Or if you're offering some kind of PDF or other download, then this is where you can provide them direct access to that thing. So once you have added your lead magnet, so your link or your download, what you're going to want to do is just click publish up here, and that's going to make everything active so that everything's working, and so that when people actually opt in, they can get your thing. Actually, I just want to click in here because you can actually click here to get a link that you can share on your socials, so on Facebook, on Twitter, or just the general link for this landing page, which is definitely helpful to know. This is a quick way for you to be able to share your landing page with potential customers. Or you could just use this link as a direct link on your social media bios. So that's another way that you would use it effectively. So as you can see, creating a landing page with Convertkit is an easy and powerful way to capture leads and generate conversions. With its intuitive design tools and automated email follow-up sequence capabilities, Convertkit makes it simple for anyone to create stunning landing pages that stand out from the competition. Best of all, you can try it out for free for 14 days with no long-term commitment or hassle by using my affiliate link, which you'll find in the description. So give it a try today because you could be really amazed at what you're able to create and achieve. Ciao.